sounding foreign when you speak Portuguese? Is there something about the way that you pronounce words that's not quite right, but you just can't put your finger on it? You just know that you don't sound like a local. I bet I know what it is, and yes, I can also help you fix it. When I teach this simple rule to my students, it blows their mind. So I'm going to share it with you today. Hit the like button if you're excited for this lesson, and subscribe if you need more practical Portuguese lessons in your life, and that's what I'm here for. Now, the secret I am referring to is how to stress words correctly. When you end up saying things like viagem, calorias, apenas, this is what is going to give you away as a beginner. So here is what I need you to remember. Two very important rules. Number one, when a word has an accent on any of the letters, and these are the accents that you are going to see lots and lots in Portuguese, then this is your very clear signal that this is where the stress should go. So whether it's the word está, maçã, Belém, this is going to tell you where the stress of the word should go. But here's the very important second rule. What do we do if there are no accents in the word and I seem to have no clue about where to put the stress in the word? Well, wait for it. There is actually a default rule of stress, and this is what is going to help you sound so much more like a local. Here's the rule. If there is no accent in a word, then the penultimate vowel should be stressed. Now, whenever we split up a word into syllables, it's always going to have a vowel in it. So we can also say that it should be the penultimate syllable that gets stressed. So in order to do this, we have to split the word up into syllables, count from the back, which is the next to last, and then that is where we are going to place the stress. It's really simple when you know how. So take a look at these words and see the rule in action. Maravilhoso, apartamento, planta, braço. See how easy it is? Now, just like any linguistic rule, of course, we're going to have some exceptions. So don't forget that words ending in specific letters will put the stress on the final syllable. These letters are R, L, U, and Z. So for example, cantor, papel, peru, feliz. I can guarantee that this is going to help your pronunciation so much, and if you need a little bit of extra help, don't forget I do have a free pronunciation guide for the 7 most trickiest sounds in European Portuguese. So this lesson and that PDF and audio track combined are going to really set you on the right track. If you want to learn some more with me, I do have a free lesson for beginners. If you are relocating or retiring to Portugal and you are really ready to tackle Portuguese conversation, then this is the best place to start. Head to the description, the link will be there. Hope you enjoyed this very quick fire lesson. You don't need to spend hours and hours learning Portuguese if you have the right tips. I'll be back next week with more tips and tutorials to improve your confidence and conversation skills in Portuguese. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss a thing. I'll see you next week. Ciao for now.